apa yang kamu lakukan sekarang?
Yes, yes, that's correct. Yeah. What are you doing right now? You can say, right now I am learning English. I am learning English online, or I am doing online English learning. I am doing online English learning. Okay, and this is continue again. Yes, I am tired today because I got up early. Yeah, get up become got up because past tense. Yeah, I am tired today because I got up early. Yeah, because got up early. Yeah, probably in the morning. Yeah, so you can say early. Yeah, awal. Yeah, early. Yeah, I got up early, and I usually get up. Yeah, I usually get up because this is simple routines. Yeah, so you can say usually. Yeah, biasanya. I usually get up at 6 o'clock. Yeah, I usually get up at 6 o'clock because this is routine. Yeah, I usually get up. Not I usually got up, but I usually get up at 6 o'clock. When do you usually get up? Yeah, when. The meaning is asking about time. Yeah. When do you usually get up? So you can say I usually get up at 5 a.m. every morning, or I usually get up at 4:30 a.m. every morning. You can say like that. I think it's great. Yeah, I think it's great. Yeah. You are learning English. How often do you study English? The meaning it's how many times do you study English? Yeah. How often do you study English? Yeah. How often do you study English? Yeah, you can say, yeah, I study English 4 times a week. I study English every day. You can say like that. I study English 3 times a week. You can also say like that. Yeah. How often do you study English? Okay. From that statement, actually, do you have something to ask, Mr. Iqbal, and also Miss Eka? Do you have something?
Hmm. Sir, kalau often, often bacanya itu apa ya? Ada yang bilang often, oh,
Often.
oh,
Often.
often,
Yes, you
oke,
can read often.
often ya, karena ada beberapa yang penekanan harus ada dihilangkan gitu kan, ada yang often, apa yang gimana gitu. Saya nggak begitu ngeh juga sih gitu.
Yes, often. Yeah, you can say often. Yeah, how
Oh,
often do you study English? And seldom, yeah, often,
seldom,
sering, and seldom, jarang. Yeah. Oftenly,
seldom.
ya sering kali, and seldomly, jarang kali. But
Kali
for seldom you can say rarely. Yeah, that's still much better.
rarely.
Yes, rarely. Yes, something like that.
Rarely is better than seldom.
Yes, then seldom. Rarely the meaning is jarang kali.
Jarang.
Yes, rare,
Oke,
langka or jarang. Yeah, rare.
oke.
Yes, something like that. Yeah, so when you want to ask someone, you can use like this. It's okay. This is will better. You can ask, how often do you study? How often do you work? Yeah, I work every day. I work at the office every day. Okay, how often do you study English? Yeah, I study English 3 times a week. Or I study English 5 times a week. So how often? Seberapa sering? How often? Okay. And the next, yeah, you will see. Did you study English yesterday? Yeah. This is past tense. Yeah. Did you study English yesterday? And you can say Yes, I did. Yeah, if you studied English yesterday, you can say yes, I did. Yeah. Did you study English yesterday? Yes, I did. But if you didn't study English yesterday, you can say no, I didn't. No, I didn't. I was busy yesterday, so I didn't study English yesterday. Okay, something like that. And how about tomorrow? How about tomorrow? This is asking about future. Yeah. How about tomorrow? You can ask, yeah, someone, yeah, for the future like this. Yeah. How about tomorrow? Are you going to study English tomorrow? Are you going to? This is to be going to. Yeah, this is the future continuous. To be going to, the meaning is will be. Going to, the meaning is will be. Yeah. Are you going to? Yeah. Are you going to? The meaning is will. Will you be study English? Yeah. Will you be study English? Are you going to study English tomorrow? The meaning is will you be study English tomorrow? Like that. This is the meaning is future continuous. And this is expressing about something, ya something schedule, ya something scheduled, sesuatu yang dijadwalkan, yang sudah dijadwalkan, or make sure, ya memastikan, ya, kepastian, surely, kepastian, yes, also can, ya surely, ya going to, ya asking about surely, kepastian. Yeah, are you going to visit my house tomorrow? Yeah, you can also like that, say like that. Are you going to visit my house tomorrow? Okay. Are you going to work tomorrow? Akankah kamu akan bekerja besok? Yes, I'm going to work tomorrow. You can say I am going to work tomorrow. Okay. This is when someone asks you, are you going to study English tomorrow? And you can say, yes, I am going to study English tomorrow. Or no, no, I am not going to study. No, I am not going to study. Enggak, saya enggak akan belajar. Because I will be busy tomorrow. Karena saya akan busy tomorrow. Okay, something like that. And um, this is said okay. Yeah, okay. This is the meaning is agree. Yeah, this is the symbol of agreements. Okay, when someone asks to you, and then you said okay, so the meaning is agree. Okay, okay, I know that. Okay, I know that studying English isn't the most important thing in the world. What else are you going to do this week? Yeah. Yeah. Okay, I know that studying English isn't the most important. Yeah. This is expressing about, yes, something agree or understanding, ya, or understanding to someone, yang memahami seseorang. Because when you ask to someone like this, yeah, are you going to study English tomorrow? Then your opponent cannot answer at that time, nggak bisa menjawab waktu itu, or just silent, just keep silent, hanya diam saja, or maybe lazy, or maybe he or she lazy, malas. Ya, so you can take breath, menarik nafas, ya, taking breath, and you say, okay, I know that studying English isn't the most important. Okay, also the most important thing in the world. What else are you going to do this week? What else? Apalagi are you going to do? Yang akan kamu lakukan this week, di minggu ini? Okay, I need Miss Eka to translate because today is speaking, so you must know. Ya, so you must habituate, ya, harus terbiasa. You must habituate, ya, habituate. The meaning is terbiasa to express something in English. Ya, so you must catch up, harus menangkap when people, ya, ask to you, or when people saying English, speaking English to you. Ya, so you must having fast respond, ya, respon cepat. Okay, so Miss Eka, what is the meaning of I know that studying English isn't the most important thing in the world? What is the meaning of that, Miss Eka?
Oke, saya tahu bahwa belajar bahasa Inggris bukanlah suatu hal yang penting
Yes, in the world.
di dunia.
Yes, that's good. Okay, that's correct, Miss Eka. Ya, saya tahu bahwa belajar bahasa Inggris bukanlah suatu hal yang paling penting, yang most important, yang paling
Yes,
penting.
penting.
Ya, hal is thing, ya, hal itu thing, hal, ya, atau benda, ya, in the world, di dunia. Ya, saya tahu bahwa belajar bahasa Inggris bukanlah hal yang paling penting di dunia. Ya, ini berarti uh, try to understanding, ya, try to understanding,
Yes.
mencoba memahami someone. Ya, maybe he or she has a bad mood, ya, or something, ya, not good in his or her mood, like that. Maybe the condition bad, ya, bad condition. Ya, so, ya, have he or she has the bad temper. Bad temper, the meaning is the murung. Ya. Murung is ngambek, ya, murung. Ya, bad temper. Temper is sifat, ya, apa ya, temper, ya, sesuatu yang ditampakkan, murung, ya, bad temper. Yeah, so you say, okay, yeah, I know that studying English isn't the most important thing in the world. Yeah, so you ask anything. Yeah, you ask another question. Yeah, what else are you going to do this week? Uh, Apalagi, ya, what else? Apalagi, ya, are you going to do? Yang akan kamu lakukan? Are you going to? Going to, the meaning is will be. Ya, akan. Ya, are you going to do this week? Apa yang akan kamu lakukan di minggu ini? Ya, so your speaker opponents, ya, lawan bicara, your speaker opponent will give you another response. Akan memberikan Anda respon yang lain. Ya, like for example like this, I'm going to attend a concert on Saturday. Ya, I'm going to attend. Saya akan datang, ya, atau saya akan hadir, ya, attend, hadir a concert, atau menghadiri a concert, sebuah konser on Saturday, pada hari Sabtu. Jadi kalau hari itu kita bilangnya on, bukan in Saturday, but on Saturday. Ya, probably I will come to your house on Friday. Ya, bukan in Friday, tapi on Friday. Kalau in itu dinyatakan untuk minggu, minggunya, gitu. Maksudnya seperti ini. Okay, I will come to your house on Friday in this week. Ya, in this week, di minggu ini. Hari Jumat minggu ini. Hari Jumat di mana itu, minggu ini atau minggu depan? Ya, di minggu ini. Ya, in this week. Or I will come to your house on Friday in next week. Ya, in next week. Hari Jumat ya. On itu untuk letak yang spesifik juga. Maksudnya harinya apa? Berarti on Wednesday contohnya. Minggu apa? Hari Rabu itu kan maksudnya di minggu gitu kan. Maksudnya dalam satu minggu kan ada hari Rabu. Berarti minggunya itu disebut in, gitu. Artinya di dalam minggu ini gitu. Jadi on Wednesday in this week, or on Wednesday in next week. Jadi kita nggak bingung ya, in next week. Jadi kadang kita bingung menyebutkan ini on atau in, something like that. So sometimes you confuse about this. Yeah, you will say on or in. Sometimes you confuse. Yeah. For sure, ya, itu pastinya ya. Sometimes you confuse about this in next weeks, yeah, or on next week like that. You say in next week, but on the day, ya. On itu hanya untuk hari. On Wednesday in next week, for example. In this month, di bulan ini. Okay, so continue little bit. Okay, do you have any special plans? Yeah, do you have any special plans? Okay, Mr. Iqbal, what is the meaning of do you have any special plans? What is the meaning?
Do you
Yes,
have any special plans?
yes.
Apakah kamu punya perencanaan spesial?
Yes.
Beberapa perencanaan spesial.
Ya, any. Any tadi artinya suatu. Kalau beberapa some. Yes. Any sesuatu. Ya, apa kamu punya suatu perencanaan? Ya, suatu perencanaan. Do you have any special plans? Tapi di belakang plans-nya harus tetap ada S-nya ya. Maksudnya rencananya ini kan kita ini bertanya gitu kan. Maksudnya dia itu punya rencana mungkin bisa lebih dari satu. Jadi kita tetap nanyanya jamak, lebih dari satu gitu. Ya, do you have any special plans? Ada S-nya. Yes, I have any special plans. Yeah, the first I will visit to my parents' house. Ya, contohnya seperti itu. That's first the example. And the second blah blah blah. Okay, continue. And then the next you will be speaking in this. Okay, I will give you statement first. Yeah, I will give you explanation. Okay, last weekend. Yeah, last weekend. The meaning is last weekend. Yeah, akhir pekan lalu. Yeah, week, minggu, and end akhir. So the meaning is akhir pekan or akhir minggu. It can be Saturday or Sunday. Ya, ini bisa jadi hari Sabtu atau hari Minggu. The meaning is weekend. Last weekend I went to visit my friends in San Francisco. What did you do? Ya, what did you do? Apa yang kamu lakukan waktu itu? Ya. Last weekend, ya, akhir pekan lalu, I went to visit my friends. Go jadi went because past tense. I went to visit my friends in San Francisco. What did you do? Yeah, you can ask someone like that. When someone asks you, then you can ask him or her back, like this. Yeah. Yes, I went to visit my parents in last weekend. And what did you do? Then your speaker opponents or bicara Anda will give you any any explanation or any answer. Yeah, I went to blah blah blah. Okay, then you can ask, yeah, how often do you do that? Yeah, how often do you do that? What is the meaning, Miss Eka? How often do you do that? How often do you do that? What is the meaning of this?
How often do you do that?
Yes.
Seberapa sering Anda melakukannya? Betul ya?
Yes. Seberapa sering Anda melakukannya? Yeah, for example, Miss Eka said, yeah, I went to my parent house in last weekend. Yeah, I went to my parent house in last weekend. Then your speaker opponent asks to you, how often do you do? How often do you do that? Then Miss Eka can say, yes, I do that every week, or I do that twice a month, yeah, or thrice a month, 3 kali sebulan. Because I must visit my parents' house. Yeah. If you say parents, yeah, must having s, yeah, because more than one. My parents' house, my parents. Yeah, you cannot say my parent because parent more than one. Yeah, there are father and mother, so you can say parents. Yeah. My parents, my parents. Yeah, something like that. Okay, then continue. Thank you for talking to me. Have a nice day. Yeah, when you want to close the conversation, you can say like this. Thank you for talking to me. Yeah, thank you for talking to me. So your speaker opponent will appreciate that. Jadi lewat bicara Anda akan merasa appreciate, akan merasa dihargai, akan merasa dihargai, ya, dihormati, something like that. Thank you for talking to me. Yeah, have a nice day. Yeah, there is also an audio file on this conversation, and this conversation has the audio file, but maybe tomorrow, or yes, tomorrow you will conversation in this. Yeah, so it will be the audio file. Yeah, actually I didn't put it, yeah, in this, yeah, because this audio file must be you, ya, harusnya Anda, it must be you. Okay, so we are going to the bottoms, to the picture, ya. Miss Eka and Mr. Iqbal can see the picture in the bottoms, ya, di bawah, in the picture. And this is, what place do you want to visit in the future? Yes, I will ask to Mr. Iqbal at first. You can see the 7 picture, yeah, in this. Yeah, you can see the 7 picture. So you can choose the one. What place do you want to visit in the future? Mr. Iqbal, what place do you want to visit in the future, Mr. Iqbal?
I want visit to Ka'bah, Arab Saudi.
To Saudi Arabia. Okay,
Oh yeah.
Saudi Arabia. Okay, Mr. Iqbal, in the future, he wants to visit to Kaaba in Saudi Arabia. So, what is the reason, Mr. Iqbal? What is your reason?
Reason.
Yes. What is your reason? Why you want to visit to Kaaba?
Oh, because I want apa tuh? Because I want to pray in Ka'bah.
Okay.
Uh, I want to haji,
Yes, you want to
umroh,
do Haji, yes, Umrah. Okay.
and I want to traveling in apa?
Yes,
Uh, some place.
yes. That's good. And the
And
first you
that's
want
all.
to do, okay. The first you want to do Hajj and Umrah. Yeah, so you want to visit
Yes.
to Kaaba, to Masjidil Haram in Saudi Arabia, because you want to do Umrah and Hajj, and also you want to going around in Saudi Arabia. Yeah, going around. The meaning is berkeliling. Yes, going around Saudi Arabia or explore. Yeah, exploring Saudi Arabia, menjelajahi Saudi Arabia. Okay, that was good. So you can visit to Masjidil Haram and also to Madinah, yeah, and also you can going around Saudi Arabia. Yeah, so you will know many things and many historical places, ya. Islamic historical places, tempat-tempat bersejarah Islam, ya. In English is Islamic history, ya, history sejarah, but you can say historical, ya, historical, kalau-nya itu CAL, historical places, Islamic historical places, because Saudi Arabia is rich of, ya, kaya akan, ya, rich of Islamic historical places. Yes, this two haramains, ya, dua tempat haram. Ya, two haramains. There are Masjidil Haram and Masjidil Nabawi in Madinah. Ya, two haramain. Okay, that was good. And I will ask to Miss Eka now, for now. Miss Eka,
Yes.
I want to
Yes.
ask you something. Actually, what place do you want to visit in the future, Miss Eka?
Hmm. My reason same as Mr. Iqbal that I want to go to Mecca because I want to complete worship for
Yes.
as a Muslim. Maybe just that for the reason.
Yes. You want to do for Hajj. You want to go to Mecca for Hajj.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, right.
Okay, that
Because
was
I
good.
want to complete my worship to be a
Oh,
Muslim.
okay. You want to complete your worship to be a Muslim.
Yes.
Okay, that was good.
Yes.
Yes, that was good reason. Okay, because every Muslim, every single Muslims, yeah, every Muslim or single Muslim, yes, yep, Muslim. Yes, they want to go to Saudi Arabia for Hajj or pilgrim. Yeah, pilgrim. The meaning is Hajj. Also, that's same meaning. Yeah, to complete their worship as a Muslim. Yeah, ibadahnya, yeah, worship, yeah, as a Muslim. Okay, that's good. So why you do not want to visit to the place like beautiful places like Eiffel Tower or Santorini in that picture actually, and that's already
Hmm.
mentioned in that picture.
Uh,
Yes.
uh, if I can choose not to go to another place at many country, I
Yet
will
many
choose
countries.
to go to Indonesia. Yes, I will go to. I prefer to go to Indonesian place because
Okay.
till now I still not yet go to their Indonesian domestic place.
Okay.
Before I go to another place in many country, I think better for me if I go to domestic in Indonesia.
Okay, that was good. Yes. Okay, understood. So before you go to another another country or many countries, yes, so you want to explore the places in Indonesia. Yes, because
Yes.
you're Indonesian, so you must know about your cultures, the
Yes.
places in Indonesia, the beautiful places. Okay, maybe
Yes.
Bali is the best choice you can visit maybe in the future, Miss Eka.
Yeah, Bali is
Yes. And the
apa
Zoom
ya?
actually will off in few seconds, so you can join again. And Miss
Okay,
Eka and
okay,
also Mr. Iqbal. Yes. Yes,
okay,
so we
sir.
can continue learning. Okay, I will off first, then you can join after this. Yes. Okay, Miss Eka. So you can continue again.
Yes.
Yes, actually, yeah, that's the good idea that you want to visit to the place in Indonesia first before you exploring other countries. Yeah, because you need to know about what's best in Indonesia like that, or what the best place or the best places in Indonesia. Yeah, because Indonesia also rich of beautiful places, yeah, rich of
Yes.
cultures, something like that.
Yes.
Yeah, that's good idea. So how about Bali, Miss Eka? Do you interest to visit there? To to visit to Bali?
Actually, yes, I'm interested with Bali, but apa ya, tidak terlalu tertarik apa ya?
It's not so
Uh,
interest, but
yeah,
I so it's
not
not so
so
interest.
interest
Yes,
because Bali is usually visited by people, so uh, sangat ramai di sana.
very crowded,
Yes, sangat very courage.
crowded.
Sorry. So very very crowded in there. So I very interested to go to the place like Lombok or apa ya Raja Ampat maybe.
Yes. Okay.
Yes,
Okay. Understood. Because Bali is the place that, yeah, popularly people visit. Yeah, popular.
yes,
Yes. People visit to Bali for holiday, for recreation. Yeah. So Bali, it's very crowded. Many of people, yeah, many of people visit to Bali, and it's become the mainstream like that. It's not usual, yeah, usual people to visit. Um, but you more enjoying to visit Lombok or Raja Ampat. Okay, that's good idea. Yes.
because
Yes.
I really like the natural area. I think it's very and they have a fresh apa ya
Yes.
udara yang segar gitu ya fresh air
Yes.
and I can meet other people that I can apa ya saya tidak dapat mengenal dia jadi saya lebih paham gitu.
Okay, so you can also more knowing about the people,
Yes,
Yes, the actually the place residence, ya, penduduk setempat, the place residence. Okay, so continue again, Miss Eka. This was good. I was, yes, appreciate that.
Maybe
Yes,
just now just it I can give my opinion about the place I was interested for the future to visit.
yes, understood. So in the future, you want to visit to Lombok
Yes,
or Raja Ampat because you more enjoying for the fresh area like that has no pollutions, yeah, no pollutions for air pollution, yeah, no air pollution, and also no water pollution. So natural, the place like a natural like that. Okay, like mountains. You can see the waters, the waterfall. Yeah, waterfall. Do you know waterfall, Miss Eka?
sorry that
Waterfall. Do you know waterfall?
air terjun apa?
Yes, yes, that's good. Waterfall. And yes, that's correct. Yeah, waterfall. Yeah, so you can refresh your brain. Yeah, after,
Yes,
yeah, you got a stress from your work, your daily working. So sometime uh, someone can be get stressed or yes, because many things, yeah, in your brain, so you can refresh, yeah, your brains to see the natural, yeah, natural places like seeing the waterfall and seeing the mountains. Yeah, you can visit there. The mountain has the fresh
yes,
air, yeah, fresh air, udara segar. Yeah, no pollutions. Yeah, no pollution. Okay,
yes,
something like that. That's good. So you can also knowing the people, ya, mengenal orang-orang in Raja Ampat. Okay, that's also good. That's a good idea. Okay, that's good reason, Miss Eka. That was good reason from you. Okay, so I will ask to Mr. Iqbal for the next reason. Okay, hello, Mr. Iqbal.
Yes, hello, sir.
Yes, Mr. Iqbal. After Mecca, so what place do you want to visit except Mecca, kecuali Mecca? What place do you want to visit in this picture? In this picture, Mr. Iqbal.
Mm, I want to Maldives.
Or you want to go to Maldives?
Yes,
For what? You want to go to Maldives?
mm, because this Maldives is the beautiful place,
Yes.
um, and apa tuh? I love apa tuh?
Beau- beautiful place for honeymoon.
Ya, no,
Yes, that's correct also.
masih lama,
Okay.
masih lama.
Okay. Okay. So you love what, Mr. Iqbal?
Because I love pantai itu pantai apa?
Beach. Beach.
Beach, beach. Because
Okay.
I love beach
Yes.
and
I think Mr. Iqbal will going to Maldives with
His
his
wife.
girlfriend,
His wife maybe.
his wife maybe.
yeah,
Okay.
that's right, that's right.
Okay, that's good. That's good idea. Okay, because Mr. Iqbal, yeah, really love about beach, and he want to see
That's
the, yeah, the nice scenery like a beach in water. Yeah, but if you want to visit to Maldives, it's also describe that you want to go for, yeah, for honeymoons or for, yes, actually because this place is really romantic, yeah, really romantic, uh, place like that. Yeah, Maldives. Yeah, usually people goes to Maldives for, yeah, usually people go, or usually someone goes to Maldives for honeymoons, yeah, for, yeah, something special like that, because this place, it's really romantic place. Yeah, sometimes they can go with their parents, yeah, and go there for, yeah, actually for enjoying their life, yeah, menikmati, yeah, enjoying, yes. So yeah, you can see the incredible sign saying, pemandangan alamnya, sign saying, the incredible scenery like that. If you visit to Maldives, yeah, because the hotel on the water, yeah. So even you are staying in the hotel, but you can also see, yeah, under, you can see under the water also, because the water it's really clear. Yeah, the water is clear, so you can see fish or anything, so you can entertain yourself, yeah, by seeing the water. You can refresh your brains, yeah, anything, because natural, and this place is natural and romantic. Yeah. You can see the island also, yeah. This is romantic for private. So if you go for honeymoons, so that will be nice idea, because this is private. Yeah, yeah, this place is private, yeah, just for you and your wife like that. Yeah, it's a private place. If you visit to Maldives, you must go by boat. Yeah. The first maybe you visit to Nepal, then after that you go by boat. Someone will pick you up. Ya, akan menjemput Anda. Someone will pick you up at the airport. Ya. Then you will continue your journey to Maldives. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, so what is the other reasons, Mr. Iqbal? Actually, Miss Eka already given you opinions. Yeah. Probably that you will go for honeymoons like that. Okay, so do you have any other reason you visit to Maldives except honeymoons? So, what is your expectation to visit to Maldives? Harapan Anda. What do you want to do in Maldives actually, Mr. Iqbal?
Hmm.
Yes.
Nah, jadi kalau saya ke Maldives mah bukan
You can
bukan
say in
untuk
English. You can say in
ini,
English. Yes. So it's not for honeymoon. So for what?
is
Yes.
maybe because I love beach, uh, and I want to entertain myself. Mm,
Okay.
yeah,
Okay,
I
that's
have
good.
to refresh my
My brain.
refresh my my
My brain.
yes refresh
Okay.
my brain
Okay.
and sejuk.
Yes, fresh. Yeah. Fresh.
Yes,
Yeah.
friend.
Refresh. Yeah. Refresh. Yeah. Menyegarkan
Yes,
kembali. Ya. Refresh. Ya.
menyegarkan kembali.
Okay. You can see something fresh. Ya. Sesuatu yang segar, yang sejuk. Ya. Fresh.
Hmm.
Okay, that's good. Okay, understood. Actually, Mr. Iqbal will go to Maldives, will not for honeymoon, Miss Eka, but because he really loves about beach, really love about the beach or white sands, ya, pasir putih, or something about scenery, pemandangan alam, like a beach like that, then sea, laut. So he won't really go for to Maldives for refresh, yeah, refresh his brains, yeah, refresh anything. So he wants to see something fresh like that, yeah, something fresh. Yeah. So Yeah, he will really refresh, and also he will complete his dreams like that, because Maldives is also the dream place, ya, tempat impian. Ya. So he really want to complete that, maybe after Mr. Iqbal graduate from his college, yeah, or want to celebrate something special. Maybe he can go there with his friends or his parents like that to Maldives, yeah, to celebrate something special. What is the meaning, Mr. Iqbal, to celebrate something special? What is the meaning?
Celebrate something special,
Yeah,
merayakan sesuatu yang spesial.
yes, that's good. Ya, merayakan sesuatu yang spesial, yang istimewa. Yang special is
Hmm.
istimewa. Okay, something like that. You can say like that. To celebrate something special. Okay, because if you go to Maldives or another country, you will have many experiences, dan banyak pengalaman, and many beautiful experience also, because many beautiful experiences also, because you will find many people around the world. You will visit to the place that the first time in your life, pertama kali di kehidupan Anda. So you will try to communicate with other people, in English also, because you don't understand about Indians language or other languages, bahasa-bahasa lain. So you can use English, for your international communication. Okay. So you can communicate with Indian people, you can communicate with Arabic people, you can communicate with Australians, with Europeans, with Americans, and many people in the world, because you can speak English. So English is really important in your future as well. Yeah, even that you wakes or awakeness, sadar or tidak sadar. Ya. Awake is sadar. Ya. Awake. Ya. In English is awake. Tulisannya A W A K E, ya, awake artinya sadar, or you don't awake, ya, you will use English in your future actually, ya, because English is international communications, ya. Baik Anda sadari maupun tanpa Anda sadari, ya, di masa depan Anda akan automatically menggunakan bahasa Inggris. That's automatically, that's the demands of life. Itu tuntutan hidup, ya, because global, ya, global system. Ya, so you can see currently, currently the meaning is at this time. Yeah, many people they can do anything by online, like they sell their products. Yeah, the product in Indonesia then can sell by online to other countries like Australia, like Europe, America, something like that. And they get big profit also. Or if you don't want to do online business or something online, so someone will come to your country, or people will come to your country. Orang-orang akan datang ke negara Anda, and they will ask something good in your country. Mereka akan menanyakan sesuatu yang bagus in your country for the business. So they will be your partner, your working partner, something like that. So you will need English. So if you even you are engineer, meskipun Anda engineer or something like that, but you don't understand English, so in the future, so it will really have problems, ya, will problematics in you, akan bermasalah pada Anda. Because when someone wants to join cooperation with you and asking about something special to you, I will cooperate, Yeah, I will cooperate with your company, blah blah blah. But you actually you don't understand, so you will leave many opportunity. Anda akan meninggalkan banyak kesempatan in your business, in your life, something like that. Okay, so we will have few minutes. We'll have actually 4 minutes. Yeah, 4 minutes to explain about this picture. Okay, you can see again about the picture. I will ask Miss Eka firstly.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay. In this picture, yeah, you can see the Colosseum, Miss Eka, the Colosseum, and also Mr. Iqbal. You can see the
Uh,
Colosseum in Rome,
I
in Italy.
see. Yes. Mm-hmm.
Yes. In this picture, you can see the old buildings. This is the historical building. Okay, so can you tell me? Yeah, can you tell me anything about this picture, or what do you see in this picture, Miss Eka, in the Colosseums? Yeah, because actually many things that you can describe about this picture. In this picture, Miss Eka, in the Colosseum picture.
Hmm.
Yes. What do you see in that picture, Miss Eka?
Okay. I will try to explain about Colosseum
Yes.
in Rome. Yeah.
Yes,
Uh,
Rome.
okay. Actually, I don't know about Colosseum before because maybe I'm not interested with Colosseum, but I will
Yes.
explain
What do you
about
see?
Colosseum.
Yes. Yes.
When I see the picture, is the Colosseum is many of window or door,
Yes.
and oh yeah, I think the
What the color of the grass? What is the color of the grass?
the color is gray.
Green. Yes.
The color is gray, and the building is I think uh, apa ya? Hmm,
Okay.
I
Just
think the building
Colosseums.
is
Okay.
bekas kerajaan Romawi mungkin ya? Apa?
Okay. Okay. It's okay. The X of Romawi. The X of Rome kingdoms. Rome kingdoms. The
Yes,
X, ya. X
yes.
is a mantan bekas, ya. Ex wife, mantan istri, ex husbands, mantan suami. X, the meaning is bekas, something like that. Ya, the X
Hmm.
of Rome kingdoms, kerajaan Romawi. Okay, that's correct.
Yes, the X of Kingdom, Romawi kingdoms,
Yes.
and then
Good.
hmm,
Does
I don't
Colosseum
have,
have
I
many
don't know.
people visit
Yes,
in this picture?
yes,
Yes.
yes. There is many people visit Colosseum building. I think is apa ya sejarah.
Historical
There
place.
is a
Historical place.
historic place. Yes, historical place. Yes.
Okay. Maybe it's building like in Indonesia, like Prambanan temples, or Borobudur temples like that. Borobudur temples actually, or Prambanan temples, Candi Prambanan. Yeah, many
Mm-mm.
people visit there because this is the historical place. Yes.
Hmm.
Actually, how about your opinion, Miss Eka, is this place like Prambanan Temple or Borobudur Temple? If it in Indonesia, jika ini di Indonesia.
Uh, I think if I see the building, it's not similar with Prambanan or Borobudur Temple because apa ya, Colosseum have different apa ya, different bentuk apa ya,
Different shape,
have a
different
different,
shape. Shape is
yes,
bentuk. Yes.
Colosseum have a different shape, but if Prambanan or Borobudur have the shape like
Temple, like the place
yes, like a
for worship.
temple,
Ya,
yes,
tempat untuk
yes,
beribadah. Oh yes.
yes.
Okay. Yes, that's good, Miss Eka. Okay, thank you for your explain. Yes, about Colosseum. Yes, actually, in this picture, Miss Eka can see there are many people visits, yeah, many tourists visit to Colosseums. And Miss Eka already described that Colosseum has many doors. Yeah, okay, that's correct. There are many doors, yeah, in Colosseum buildings. And this is also the X of Rome's kingdom, kerajaan Romawi. Ya, bekas kerajaan Romawi. And it describes the glory of the Rome kingdoms, kejayaan,
Yes.
glory, ya, the glory of Rome kingdoms, kejayaan kerajaan Romawi, ya, in ya long times ago, ya long times ago, in the middle of the 15th century, abad 15, in the 15th century. Yes, and but this place is not actually was not special place that time. Yeah, this place wasn't special place that time because this place for fighting the animals, between the animal with the human like that. And this place for the actually Colosseum is like the place for gathering people, and they watch a human, yeah, a human will fight with the animal like that, ya. Orang untuk orang-orang berkumpul, ya, like sorry, yes,
Oh,
Colosseums,
okay.
ya.
Okay, I think I was watching the movie
Yes,
using Colosseum Place is like gladiator arena ya.
gladiator, yes, the
Yes,
gladiator, that's correct. The
yes,
gladiator area, like yeah, people usually people see the concerts, but this is the people see the human fighting with the animal,
human
yeah, with the,
animals. Yes,
yeah, with the lions or with the uh, bull, banteng, bull, yeah, bull is a banteng, yeah. So yeah, this place was not good place, was not special place, but for, yeah, actually watching, yeah, for watching the actually the gladiator, yeah, the gladiator, the people fighting, yeah, with the animal like that. Yeah, so was not special. This is like the place for punishment, ya, tempat untuk punishment, hukuman, ya, punishment for the Rome's kingdoms, the people in the Rome kingdoms, orang-orang di kerajaan Romawi, that they have any mistakes, ya, to the king, ya, yang mereka mempunyai kesalahan pada raja. So they must, ya, get the punishment, mendapatkan hukuman in this place like a gladiator. Yeah, so the human will fighting with the animals, something like that. Okay, that was good, Miss Eka. So this is different with Borobudur temples or Prambanan temple. Yeah, because Borobudur and Prambanan temple, the place, yeah, there are the place for worship, ya, tempat untuk beribadah, ya, for Hindus and Buddhists like that in Indonesia. Okay, that was good, Miss Eka. So now I will ask the last one. I will ask to Mr. Iqbal to explain this picture, to explain the Colosseum picture. Okay, Mr. Iqbal, what do you see in this picture actually, Mr. Iqbal?
Hmm,
Yes, you can
I
tell. What do you
see.
see? Yes.
I see apa nih? A
Yes.
temple in Thailand. The temple
Okay.
in Thailand.
Yes, that's temple in Thailand. But the question is about this picture, about number three, Mr. Iqbal, about the Colosseum building in Rome. Can you see number three, the above of the temple in Thailand?
Nah, ini gambarnya gak kebuka sir.
Oh, nggak kebuka. Oh,
Iya,
so number three.
segitiga tanda seru doang.
Oh, so do you open in your cell phone or actually you open by cell phone or laptop, Mr. Iqbal?
Hmm,
You open by Androids or by laptop like
On
computer?
on Android.
Android. Oh, okay. So sometimes trouble if you open by Android. Okay, so you can see the temple in Thailand. So, okay, what
Ya,
do you see the temple in Thailand, Mr. Iqbal?
I see ini apa sih? I see sea.
Yes,
I see a temple.
yes.
Uh, some house
Some houses, because more than one. Some
houses.
houses, yes.
Yeah. I see some trees.
Okay, good.
Mm,
And what is the
mm,
color of the temple? What is the color?
the color the color is yellow.
Yellow color. Okay.
Yeah.
And how many temples do you see, Mr. Iqbal? Are there? How many temples?
I see five temple.
Yes, five temples.
Temple.
Yes, there are five temples. Yes, this is the location in Thailand, in Bangkok, Thailand. The capital city of Thailand is Bangkok. Yes, Indonesian people says Bangkok, but in English it's a Bangkok. And the name is a Bangkok, the capital city in Thailand. Yeah, this is the icon of Thailand also. So if you want to go to Thailand, you will see this temple. This is really popular in Thailand. And this temple is in the downtown city, the downtown Thailand in Bangkok, yeah, Bangkok downtown, yeah, tengah kota, ya, ya tengah kota Bangkok, ya this temple, ya, di tengah kota Bangkok, in the middle of Bangkok city, ya, you can also say like that, in the middle of Bangkok city, and this is really popular, yeah, in Thailand. Okay, so I will ask to you, Mr. Iqbal, do you want to visit to Thailand as well? Do you want to visit to Thailand, Mr. Iqbal?
Uh, uh, s- mm, uh, I I'm not visit Thailand.
I not really want to visit to Thailand. You can say like that. I not really.
Yes, I not really visit to Thailand.
Yes. Yeah, because yeah, you have the first you have the first destination in your life that you want to visit to Mecca, then another you can visit, yeah, another one, yang
Maldives.
satu lagi. Another one you will visit to Maldives. Okay, understood. Okay.
I think Mr. Iqbal reason is because Thailand is many lady boy. Yeah.
Lady boy. Okay, many lady boys, yes, in Thailand. Yeah, yeah. Someone ever, yeah, tell me like that. Yeah, someone had ever been telling me like that. That Thailand has many lady boys. Yeah, many lady
because
boys.
Thailand
Yes.
have freak food,
Free,
freak,
free.
freak, aneh.
Oh, okay. Yes. Yeah, freak or like weird, aneh, weird. Ya, tulisannya W
Wait,
E I R D, weird, aneh, weird,
wait,
aneh,
oh,
something
wait,
weird in Thailand. Yeah, like you
yeah,
see the girl. Yes, you see the girl. You think that she is girl. Yeah, that she is girl because she is really beautiful and has the long hairs, and yeah, has the long hairs, and use the skirt, rock, and really beautiful. But actually, she is lady boy, is not girl like that. Yeah, sometimes you confuse if you visit to Thailand. Okay, that's good reason. Okay, thank you, Miss Eka, for saying this. For
You're welcome, sir.
yes, reminds that. Yes, because Thailand weird sometimes aneh. But Thailand is rich of culinary,
Yes,
spicy culinary, makanan pedas, kuliner pedas. Thailand, yeah, is the place, and also the yeah many Buddhist temples in Thailand also, and some Islamic people, yeah, Islamic people now also live in Thailand. Now, yeah, also live there in Thailand, and also has uh, the boarding school, Islamic boarding school in Thailand, pondok, yeah, Islamic boarding school, yeah, Islamic boarding school. The meaning is pondok, yeah, in Thailand, but it's not the city in Thailand, but in the town in Thailand, ya kota kecil near to Malaysia, near the border of Malaysia, has the Islamic boarding school in Thailand. Yeah, Thailand also has the Islamic boarding school, ada pondoknya. But near Malaysia, near the border of Malaysia. Karena Thailand berbatasan dengan Malaysia, because Thailand is ya boarding with Malaysia, ya, berbatasan dengan Malaysia. Okay. Okay, so yeah, I understand because Mr. Iqbal, yeah, is not really want to visit to Thailand because he want to visit to Mecca and want visit to Maldives. And the first is visit to Saudi Arabia, then visit to Maldives. Yeah, probably for honeymoons or something. Maybe I don't know. Maybe in the future. Yeah, that was Mr. Iqbal planning. Okay, thank you. I think that's enough, Miss Eka. I think that's enough, so we can continue learning by tomorrow. By tomorrow
okay, sir.
afternoon. Yes,
Okay, sir. Thank you.
yes. Thank you, Mr. Iqbal, for your time
welcome.
and joining this meeting class. Actually, for today learning was yeah, very interesting. Actually, you can share your
Yes.
experience. You can share your future destinations. Yeah, also that's good. Yeah. Also, you can say to each other, Miss Eka can
Yes.
remind Mr. Iqbal something like that. Okay. Okay, that was good. Okay, that was interesting. Too. Okay, so I will find you again, inshallah, by tomorrow afternoon. Okay, have a nice day for you both, for Miss Eka and Mr. Iqbal. See you again tomorrow. Yes. Have a nice
You
day.
okay? Have a nice day too for
Okay.
you, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Ya,
Bye.
assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam.
Bye, Mr. Iqbal.